So if you're like me and you have an old car that doesn't have audio input jack, or maybe the speakers are broken, all you have is a CD player, or I've seen these amplifiers for phones take the sound and amplify it a little bit just naturally using a cone. So I'm going to go ahead and design one, 3D print one that goes in my cup holders. First we're going to go measure the insert that's currently in there. We're going to be replacing it, or we'll just using this when I'm not using the cup holder, and then we'll take those measurements and put them into Tinkercad to make our design. Pulled up in Tinkercad. I'm going to use the doc name, the Exquisite Blur. Now we're going to take the measurements from the design that we had, and we're going to make it so it can hold everything inside. It'll kind of be a shell, hold the phone in there, kind of an angle, so we'll have a spot to amplify the sound and also to plug a charger in. Here it is all done and printed up. Now it's time to test it out.